If you're looking for a rugged and affordable smartphone, you've probably come across these two Cubot models. The new KingKong ES5 and the older KingKong ES3 may look very similar at first glance, but in reality, they take quite different approaches. One focuses on being more modern and feature-packed, while the other is all about battery life. The big question is it worth paying extra for the ES5, or is the ES3 still the smarter buy? Let's find out. And now for the final verdict. If you need a phone that can last for days away from a power outlet and you want to spend as little as possible, the Cubot KingKong ES3 remains a very hard option. Its massive battery and fast charging give it a clear identity and make it especially appealing for outdoor work or long trips. However, if you prefer a more modern device with smoother day-to-day performance, a fingerprint scan, and useful extras like a powerful flashlight, then the Cubot KingKong ES5 is the more balanced choice. Personally, unless battery life is your absolute top priority, the ES5 feels like the more up-to-date smartphone overall.